Struggling with acne that just won't go away? If you're dealing with breakouts or acne scars, you're not alone.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have something exciting to share. We'll cover the key benefits and how you can apply them right away. Stay with me and let's dive right in.
Acne is a common inflammatory skin condition. Dead skin cells clog pores and bacteria grow inside them. Acne usually happens due to multiple factors. Hormonal changes are one of the biggest triggers. Oily skin increases the risk of clogged pores. High sugar and dairy can also contribute. Stress and pore clogging products make it worse. Blackheads and whiteheads are considered mild acne. Inflamed pimples and cysts are more severe. Picking pimples can make acne worse. Overwashing damages your skin barrier. Using random products can irritate your skin. For mild acne, salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide work well.
Here we see some active acne along the forearm.
Okay, I see. What causes that?
It's often due to clogged pores. This diagram shows the process is.
Ah, I see.
We'll start with the topical cream.
Clinics offer advanced solutions for faster results. These treatments help reduce acne and scars. With the right routine, acne is treatable.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to dive into this with you today. If you're ready to get started, let me know by dropping a comment below. Your input really helps shape what we cover next. Thanks.